did kind of help me really, yung 24/7 na support. Flow 21 compared to Deco is really powerful na platform. There are several functions that is offered sa Flow 21. So the team were not able to really grasp and appreciate kung ano
Mhm.
yung nagagawa ni Flow 21. But for me, I did appreciate it so much na we can do a lot of things sa Flow 21. Although some of those things I was able to learn dun sa 24/7 nyo. So if you can check how often I ask 24/7, then you will know. So yun, because I cannot wait for the next session, or sometimes my schedule is just so and sometimes I for how many times did I forget about our call, di ba? So sorry about that. Pero yun, with the 24/7, which I think you should keep, and really did help for me kasi sometimes it's weekends, or maybe late hours at night or early morning. I ask, I have, if I have the time, I can ask, and then hindi masisira yung parang momentum ko ba. So if I have a question, I just ask right away, and then I can go on with whatever I am trying to explore with Flow 21. So it did kind of help me really, yung 24/7 na support. And especially, I have favorite agents in the 24/7 support, no, because they would give me videos. They would show me how to do it, and it saves me time. So I'm grateful for that support that you have, the 24/7 support.